edges, you put the gel, hook the hair, the end of the hair on the comb, then
comb.
You don't comb, you just pull it to the side that you want it to go. This is the fresh bit. You put gel on it, on the edges, comb it a bit, let the hair go through the comb, then you twist it to the side you want it. Let me show you, like that. And I want it to come this way. And when you're done, you can off it. So that's, then you pull the hair. Sometimes it refuses. And you put it in, and you are blocking the light. You pull it through. It's like you are hooking it. I think I put too much of gel, but it's gonna rock. It was facing the wrong way, so now I'm rocking it. It's like you trying to rock it, but make it face the way you want, by the way you put the needle through. Yeah. You just bring the whole hair in through the, now it's facing the way I want, because I want it that way. So now I'm gonna sew the edges. You showed them how I'm doing the edges here. Ready? Just one.
Final products.
Bed. Got to wait for the gel to dry. Yeah? Go round, face round. It's too dark.